Assalamu alaikum everyone, and let's talk about Luna Classic one more time. And Luna Classic still down, the whole market is down. I do believe that eventually Luna Classic is looking to come down towards these targets here, and that's going to be 6,796, and you're going to be coming down here properly because now the market is even more flashing to the downside. And then you have probably a flag that was created again. So if you take this right over here and you take that right over there as well, you do have a move down, and that move down created this flag, and then you have a move from the top to the bottom, and this is on the 1 hour time frame. So I think that yes, eventually we're looking for some move to the downside. So this may actually offer an amazing 15-16% move down, and I think we can actually say the stop is up at 10,425. Now, as long as this one doesn't really go up to 10,000, because if you come up here, you're going to destroy the flag itself. So that's where it makes sense. That's why I'm telling you that if it comes up here, maybe we won't move down anymore. And yeah, be careful. There was too many manipulation. There's still manipulation, of course, until now. But this was always clear, at least to me, when we couldn't pump from this place and go for a fifth wave. I actually knew that, all right, that's it. This has printed in another flag here. You went down, you created the bear flag, you dropped down, and that's where you have the technical target all the way to 6691. Now, eventually, when you come here, I think that will be good for probably an entry, and I think I won't be afraid to take an entry on Luna Classic in the future when it drops down to 6658 eventually. So that's it for the video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.